Hi guys, thanks for joining me for another unbox. On today's unbox we have our 4G personal tracker. Let's go ahead, we'll dive into it and I'll unpack everything and show you what's included in the box, and then join me on the next video and we'll have an in-depth look at how to get the tracker set up, and also the TrackSolid app that is used to monitor it and what it can do. So with no further ado, let's get into it. So inside the box we have our little 4G unit that runs an Android based operating system. We also have our little command book, our lanyard for it, along with our USB adapter and a Type-C cable as well, which I've just used to test up our demo one, but that comes included in the box as well, so it makes it nice and easy to connect. Type-Cs can only go in one way, so you can't mess it up. Make sure you stay tuned guys, join us on the next video and we'll take an in-depth look at how to get the tracker set up and running with the SMS commands, and then dive into the TrackSolid app and show you what it can do. Thanks for joining us, we'll see you on the next one.